Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.6340. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, there is a continuous downfall we have seen from these two. As you can see, these are red candles are forming. Before that, from 2 days there was green candles are forming. You can say after making this particular high there is a continuous fall. So till the time price is not moving above a level of $2.7640, we will not see a further upside movement because there is a continuous, from 2 days there is a continuous fall. But if started going above a level of $2.7640, chances will be very high that we will see a further upside movement and a probability of crossing a level of 2.9 also we can see, and from there it can cross a level of 3.18 also. Okay, this is also we can see. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, opposite U pattern is forming here. See, opposite U pattern is forming here from the month of August, you can say, till December of 23. Okay, if it started moving below this level, that means started going below this level, we will see it will move further down. Looking at this particular chart, there is continuously we can see there is a higher probability that if the price started moving above 2.75, a further upside movement we can see, but if started going below a level of $2.5, a further downfall we can see. This is looking at this particular charts. Okay, now let's go beyond this. After month of September, if we go and check what I have already told you, that the price was moving in a range of $3 and $2, which is for so long. Okay, as soon as this price move out of $3 zone, a continuous upside we have seen, and going over this level, probability will be very high. It will cross a level of $3.6, and a further upside movement we can see it will touch a level of $4. Okay, and started sustaining of this level, a further upside movement we can see. Now look at this particular trend. There is a good volatility we have seen. If we look at this trend from January 2023 till Jan of 2024, there's a good volatility, but the range is from 3.6 to a range of 2. That means it has not shown so much of volatility, but it is moving in a zone of $3.6 to a level of $2. This is what the price was moving for one year. Before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if you look at the dollar index, you will see there is a continuous upside we have seen, and it has already made a high from $2024 up. So chances can be high that if the price started sustaining above that, we can see dollar index will move further upside, and which will in turn can affect the price of other commodities, even gold and silver, natural gas and crude oil. The price can come down. Okay, see, gold price can come down because, see, if the price started going up, you can see that suppose if there is a crude, people from other countries are buying, then they have to pay more price for the same amount of crude. Okay, this is what we can see. Now let's look on the natural gas. If you look at this particular chart, let's see if the price sustain this level. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards its next resistance of $2.6617. If the price started going over that level, we can see a level of $2.7851. Okay, and once the price started going up that particular level, we will see it will cross a level of around 2.9, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of $3.12756. Okay, and once started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of going towards $3.21056, and from there it will cross a level of around $3.3768. Okay, and if it started going above $3.6768, a further upside movement we can see. Keep that in mind that there is a higher chances if the price started going above a level of 2.7851, it will cross a level of $3, which is on a higher side. But remember something, see, whether anybody tell you or don't tell you, always try to set your SL. Okay, whether your mind says that the market will go down or not, even wherever you have read, whatever you have seen news, always try to follow this rule. Always try to set your SL. Okay, it will always save your capital. Okay, whether market goes up or down, if you are setting your SL, suppose you have set an SL of 5% in a day, or even 2%, If you are gone with the 2% of SL, it will save your 90% of your capital. Okay, if you are not doing it, your capital can be wiped out. This can be for sure if you are not putting your SL. And second thing is, if you are trailing your SL, your profit will be saved. Okay, that means suppose if you are in 100% profit, if it comes to 80, 70, exit the trade for the day, and this is how you can trail your SL. This will save your profit also, and it will build a reputation for confidence also, and you can trade better. So let's see if the price didn't sustain. What we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support of $2.5693. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see towards $2.5335. Okay, and once the price started moving below a level of 2.5335, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.4142. Okay, and started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see. That once the price started moving, keep that in mind, once the price started moving $2.2, a further fall we can see, and then it will move below a level of $2.072, which is already being a weak resistance support, which is already being a weak support. So chances are high we can see it will fall further down towards 1.9341, and from there a further fall. Okay, if we look at the overall trend is downside, sustaining over level of 2.7, a further upside movement we can see. So hope you like